How to dynamically build a JSON object. I am new to Python and I am playing with JSON data. I would like to dynamically build a JSON object by adding some key value to an existing JSON object. I tried the following but I get type error column str object does not support item assignment.
You build the object before encoding it to a JSON string. JSON is a serialization format, textual data representing a structure. It is not, itself, that structure.
You can create the Python dictionary and serialize it to JSON in one line and it's not even ugly.
There is already a solution provided which allows building a dictionary, or nested dictionary for more complex data, but if you wish to build an object, then perhaps try Object. This gives much more control over the JSON to be created, for example retaining order, and allows building as an object which may be a preferred representation of your concept. Pip install Object first.
JSON.loads, take a string as input and returns a dictionary as output. JSON.dumps, take a dictionary as input and returns a string as output. If you need to convert JSON data into a Python object, it can do so with Python 3, in one line without additional installations, using simple namespace and object_hook. From string. Output. From file. JSON object, data.json. Output. From requests. Output. For more beautiful and faster access to JSON response from API, take a look at this response.
You can use EasyDict library, doc. EasyDict allows to access dict values as attributes, works recursively. A JavaScript-like properties.notation for Python dicts.usage. Installation. Pip install EasyDict.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.